All right, here on Kishaba, the very back corner, looking down the street back towards Foster, main Foster. There's the tower as you look back towards building 1. Great neighborhood here. This is, the next house we're gonna look at is 1801, which is a field grade 4-bedroom unit. Ready to move in. Plenty of parking here on the street. A little driveway there as well. Walk you inside. Again, field grade 4-bedroom house. Wide open living space here. Dining area. Big kitchen with an island. Stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, of course. I think this opens back up to the garage area or the parking area. Yard outside, plenty of space. Central air. Coming back around. This is a nice unit here. Closet.
Gorgeous unit.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. That's a bit, wow. Brand new washing machine, dryer, deep sink. Plenty of storage there. The first bedroom with closet. The full bath in the hallway with tub. Storage, plenty of storage here in the hallway, the closets. Next bathroom, or sorry, next bedroom, a little bit on the small side, but nice window, full windows and closet. And then another big bedroom with a big closet. Windows to the backyard. I'm gonna guess this one might be the master. So ceiling, fan, plenty of closet space. Wow, double sinks. Ensuite here with a full bath. Very nice. That's 1801 field grade 4-bedroom on Kishaba.